The particularity of metallurgical crane and metallurgical crane monitoring system. When the metallurgical crane is used to lift molten metal, some special configurations are required due to the particularity of working conditions. When the special motor for metallurgical crane is used, when the ambient temperature exceeds 40 degrees Celsius, Class H insulated motor should be selected, 2 sets of independent braking, double braking, must be equipped, and the lifting capacity limiter must be installed. Different types of double limiters at the rising limit position shall be installed, and different circuit breakers shall be controlled. The crane with a starting height greater than 20 m shall also be equipped with a limit device for lowering the limit position according to the need. The thyristor stator voltage regulation, eddy current brake, energy brake, thyristor power supply and overspeed protection must be provided. DC unit power supply speed regulation and other lifting mechanisms may cause overspeed. The general bridge crane of more than 20 t used for lifting molten metal must have overspeed protection, and the lifting mechanism should have the function of positive and negative contactor fault protection to prevent the motor from losing power when the brake is still powered on and causing stalling. The protection grade of all electrical equipment shall meet the requirements of relevant standards. For lifting machinery working under high temperature environment for a long time, protective measures shall be taken for its electric control equipment. Steel wire rope suitable for high temperature occasions shall be selected, with sufficient safety factor, and cast iron pulley shall not be used. So not only metallurgical crane has its own particularity, but also metallurgical crane monitoring system has many particularity.